Here's part 3 of our difficult to pronounce food names. Today we'll start with the word hummus, a thick paste or spread made from ground chickpeas and sesame seeds, olive oil, lemon, and garlic, made originally in the Middle East. Some pronunciation sounds like hummus, hummus, hummus. Say it as hummus, so the waiter won't ask you to repeat what you said. Pho, a type of Vietnamese soup typically made from beef stock and spices to which noodles and thinly sliced beef or chicken are added. It's not pho or pho. It's pho, like fun without n. Or if you're speaking with someone from Saigon, say pho with the falling and rising intonation at the end. Prosciutto, Italian ham cured by drying and typically served in very thin slices. Don't say prosciutto or prosciutto. It should be pronounced as prosciutto with an emphasis on the double T. Crudite, assorted raw vegetables served as an hors d'oeuvre, typically with a sauce into which they may be dipped. Many people mispronounce this as Crudites and Crudites. Say this as Crudite or Crudite. Mascarpone, a soft, mild Italian cream cheese. It's usually pronounced as mascarpone or mascarpone, but we want to stay loyal to the Italian language and say it as mascarpone, or could pass as mascarpone. That's it for today. Again, thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. Thank you.